Discover the power of castor oil for treating arthritis and inflammation. Are you tired of taking painkillers every day to manage your arthritis symptoms? If yes, then it's time to try castor oil, a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including arthritis and inflammation. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, and it contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This acid helps to reduce inflammation in the joints, which is the main cause of pain and stiffness in arthritis. Castor oil also has analgesic properties, which means it can help to relieve pain. To use castor oil for arthritis, you can apply it topically on the affected area. Simply warm the oil and massage it into your joints. You can also use castor oil as a compress by soaking a cloth in warm castor oil and applying it to the affected area. Leave the compress on for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Another way to use castor oil is by taking it orally. You can mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a glass of warm water or juice and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. This can help to reduce inflammation throughout your body. In conclusion, castor oil is a natural remedy that can help to reduce inflammation and relieve pain caused by arthritis. It's easy to use and has no side effects, unlike painkillers. So, give it a try and discover the power of castor oil for treating arthritis and inflammation.